Hello everyone, welcome back to Mama in the Kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make white jasmine rice, which you can use with any type of dish that you like. Today I'm going to be using it with bamia. So I'm going to start off by showing you the ingredients. Over here I have turmeric. You're going to need a small pinch of turmeric. Over here I have sharia. You're going to need a cup of sharia. And then I also have 4 cups of white jasmine rice, 2 tablespoons of salt, and 1/3 of a cup of canola oil. So now we're just going to go ahead and get started. The first step to making jasmine rice is rinsing out your rice. So you're going to pour water all over it, and then you're going to dump it out, and you're going to repeat that about 3 or 4 times until the water becomes more clear. And after doing that, you're just going to let it soak in hot water for 10 to 15 minutes. So the rice has been soaking for 15 minutes now, and we're just going to go ahead and strain it. And once you strain it, you're going to rinse it one more time with cold water and then just set it aside in the strainer. So after rinsing my rice one more time with cold water, I'm just going to go ahead and put a bowl under the strainer and let it catch all the water so it can be as dry as possible. And while it does that, I'm going to go ahead and fry the sharia. I have 1/3 of a cup of hot oil over here, and we're just going to go ahead and fry that to a golden color, and I'll show you what it looks like when it gets to that point. Okay, so this is the color you want your sharia to be, a golden color, and now we're just going to go ahead and add the 4 cups of rice to it, and we're going to pan fry them together. Mix it in very well for about 2 minutes, and then we'll add the water, and I'll show you when we get to that step. Okay, so the rice and sharia have been pan frying together for about 2 minutes, and now we're just going to go ahead and add the water. We're going to be adding 7 cups of boiling water to our rice. So after adding the 7 cups of boiling water to the rice, you're going to go ahead and add 2 heaping tablespoons of salt and then mix it in, and then we're going to add the turmeric, and I'll show you when we do that. After adding your salt, you're just going to go ahead and add a small pinch of turmeric, and then you're going to mix that in very well. And you're also going to be cooking your rice uncovered on high heat until the water goes down and you start to see the rice. And when it gets to that point, you're going to go ahead and cover your rice and bring the heat down to medium until it's completely cooked. So the rice has been cooking for about 20 minutes, and this is how the rice should look like once it's completely cooked.